Novick from Clutter.
And I'm Amy Payne with Purposeful Tech Solutions.
Welcome to Small Business TNT, Tools and Templates with Google. How would a stress-free business launch feel to you? We have strategically created tools and templates within Google for you to easily launch your business so that you don't have to start from scratch.
We are so excited to bring this program to you. We've been working on this for months and we can't wait for you to get started.
This program is for you if you're a new business owner, you're not sure where to start, you do not want to start from scratch, you love a proven process to follow, and you would love to start with Google as your foundation for your business.
We have built a beautifully structured process that guides you through every step of launching your business. No more feeling overwhelmed, no more guesswork. We have a clear step-by-step path to follow. We make sure nothing gets overlooked. Our program uses a native Google Workspace that allows you to leverage the power of the robust platform for efficient operations and seamless collaboration.
What's included in Small Business TNT? 3 sections of tools and templates. First, how to set up and organize your business. Next, tools and templates to convert leads into clients. And then more forms and templates to work on managing client projects.
Think of us as your business fairy godmothers. We are really excited to empower entrepreneurs with the resources and support that they need to be successful. Everyone deserves a chance to make your business dreams come true, and we would love to help you do that without all the stress.
Are you ready to launch your business? Why start from scratch when you can start with a rock solid foundation and a professionally proven process created by 2 professional organizers?
Choose the perfect version for you, whether it's a small business version or the professional organizer version.
If you don't have experience with Google Workspace yet, we will be happy to help. If you have a Gmail account and know how to use Google Drive, this is your best start. All templates are customizable.
And don't forget, we are here for you. If you need us, reach out at amy@smallbusinesstnt.com. We would love to help.
And if you need more assistance, you can hire us to help you out. Launch your business today with Small Business TNT.